Welcome at forextrading.com. Right now it's 2:25 a.m. And it's 20th December. Today we have some important data in Japan, so that's what I'm focused at. There is no important data at pound, euro, and dollar that I would be most concerned with. Let's take a look at 4-hour index situation. Right now we are looking at the US 30 index 4-hour chart, and looks like the comfortable zone is right about last support resistance of this index. So I can see here kind of rectangle narrowing down to the point when we can see also a triangle right here. So we are seeing those stairs here. So it is much possible that we are in the bullish market. So the price can break out from this support resistance level, and it will be most likely that the prices will hit some higher and higher levels. So we are looking for the breakout situation, and this is most possible right now. Even though I would feel more comfortable, for example, when the price would reach a retracement level of those last support resistance and come back to this point very fast. So I would be sure then that the market already tested those levels again and doesn't feel comfortable here, that won't really retrace and make this downward move in the near future, and it would be a great possibility to break out to the upside from this level. But seem to me right at this point that market will take this support resistance like it is and just go to the upside. Please remember the indexes are correlated with currencies. So I'm talking about situation where we have recent pound dollar 4-hour chart direct downtrend signals. So we are talking about important sellers coming into the market, and it was the first example of the trade at 4-hour chart, based also at 30-minute view. And I'm talking about second example of the trade on Friday, and it was also based on 30-minute chart but seen at 4-hour chart. We see great sellers coming into the market, and right now market is taking a breath. It broke important support and resistance at the downside, and the same happened with euro. Euro at first, this wave at pound drove euro lower from the uptrend, and then euro started to grow again, but the pound took it to the downside again, and the second wave was exactly the same like at pound. So at first, euro didn't react as strong to the downside as pound because it was in an uptrend. But right now, euro is most likely to react similar as pound, and pound was driven to the downside. So I'm also seeing that we broke support and resistance at an important euro dollar level, and price is staying under this level. So comparing to pound, it is even worse because pound came back from support resistance, and euro, after breaking it, is staying after below this level. So right now we are looking at kind of small some kind of flag or rectangle continuation. We'll see if it will be behaving strongly to the upside, but most likely it will be going down with the pound. So let's see at 30-minute chart, how does it look like, this situation, recent moment at euro dollar and pound. Let's take a look at this. You see here, I already marked this continuation pattern as rectangle. Even though the price might go to the upside for a while, I will ignore it. I'm waiting for downtrend move right now So downtrend move will be interesting for me. It will take my attention, especially you see at pound, for example, we are talking about a situation where recently at Friday I took a short position after breaking out from the flag classic behavior. It is also example of the trade. And I'm talking about the same behavior happening right now. So most likely markets don't behave the same as it just exactly happened like a day or 2 days before. So we might expect a little upside movement or something different than here. But it looks the same, that we are making some kind of continuation flag which might be going aggressively lower. But right now pound is making some kind of breath, is taking some kind of breath, making some kind of retracement. So I'm not sure if this price won't hit some higher levels. Maybe some demand will come to the market. We'll see. In 28 minutes, European markets are up to open. So we'll see what kind of movement are talking about today. But please remember, in this kind of market, when we broke support resistance and the pound show us we have strong sellers coming into the market, they are already at the market and no important buyers at the market. Please be cautious with any long position at the market. Besides, of course, indexes, where indexes are looking strong, are looking the same for a recent few days. They are consolidating, so we are talking about consolidation, and in very strong uptrend. Consolidation is something beautiful because the next move might be strong, aggressive. So if you are a bullish trader at indexes, you might want to hit those points when the breakout will occur at this market. So that would be it for today. I hope you see some more interesting videos and example of trades. Thank you very much.